After the Supreme Court ruled that Donald Trump and other presidents have broad immunity for official acts while in office, the fallout was swift and dramatic. The former president said on Truth Social, quote, "The decision ends all of crooked Joe Biden's witch hunts against me, including the White House and DOJ-inspired civil hoaxes in New York."
Any president, including Donald Trump, will now be free to ignore the law.
Sentencing in Trump's New York hush money trial, originally scheduled for next week, will now be on September 18th if it happens at all. The court will have to consider what qualified as official acts. During the trial, the jury heard testimony from former Trump aide Hope Hicks about the former president signing checks in the Oval Office allegedly used in the hush money scheme.
He was doing presidential stuff while signing these types of checks. The prosecutors will argue that that doesn't change the fact that these were private in orientation.
The Supreme Court ruled presidents do not have immunity from unofficial acts, but some argue a lot of the trial's evidence should not have been allowed.
That case should be thrown out because that case was built on false, inadmissible evidence.
Trump's defense team will also call into question other key evidence like records of phone calls the former president made while in office and some of his social media posts. Before the new sentencing date, Judge Juan Merchan will rule on the Trump team's request to throw out his guilty verdict. In New York, Connor Hansen, Fox News.